There you go. Eat. Eat. It's
Does your baby like grapes?
try it. Uh-oh. Grapes. Want it? Try it.
Sure, thank you.
Mom,
I'll
Eat
take
it.
How about I'll take a different one? This one was on the ground.
eat it.
It's dirty, honey. Can you get me a different one?
I'll eat it.
Do it.
It's dirty. You can get mommy a clean one from the bowl. It's right here.
Try that one?
Yuck. Yuck. Another one? Okay. Yes.
Want me to have the yucky one? Can I have the yucky one?
Yuck.
Uh-oh. You know which one it is? No.
Another one.
Thank you.
Oops. Another one.
There's a bee on the pinballs.